So hello and welcome to a new episode. So we start this episode at a weird location. Now I've just been seen by the farmer. I don't know if he owns this land, but if he does, it's a disgrace and he needs to tidy it up. There's not many decent vehicles here, but it's a bloody sight to be seen. So we'll quickly have a look now before the farmer turns round. You're not going to believe what I'm looking at. Not because of the cars, because of, you'll see, watch. I mean, seriously. Did somebody get evicted? I mean, the sheer mess. Got a Subaru there, look. Ranger over here. Bloody jacuzzi. I mean, that thing there looks brand fine new. I mean, seriously. But there's a house that they was building that they never finished. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can tell this was new. They actually built this, and then kind of, that's what happens when you build things with chipboard. I mean, look at this thing's brand new. They got a Ford van over there. Well, this thing has been parked here years ago. Can't even get to it. Jesus. This is why I like exploring without no direction, because you find random crap like this. She's open. But who cares? My goodness. I mean, can you believe what we found, ladies and gents? I mean, I don't understand. All the registrations have been removed, but these are new. That's bloody new. Tesco trolley. That's virtually brand new. That is. Oh, there was a fire here. Look. So, yeah, this has all been burnt by a fire. Can you see? All this has been burnt. So, did they have a fire right there? Well, this was parked here. Clearly, they did. The whole side of it's burned. I don't understand this, I don't. I really don't. So, is this open? Of course it wouldn't be. So what year would this be, ladies and gents? I mean, it's a diamond one. It's had a bit of work there, look. I've got to be careful where I am, because this to me is so dodgy, it's unreal. There's the cover off the jacuzzi. She's completely locked up. But why the hell would this Shogun be there like that? I mean, why would I mean, I can understand that being here because you're in like farm country, and that's been here a long time because you can see all the moss that's grown on it. But these two cars, I mean, this is pretty new. This is like still, I don't know, 10 grand maybe to buy one of these, decent one of these. And then you got this Subaru here, which I don't know, it's got all the information on the passenger seat, and it doesn't look in that bad nick at all inside. Looks really clean. But again, I mean, that must have been a hot fire, that must have been, to burn the side of this and to burn this. I mean, it's burnt the Subaru badge and the rear tail light. Let's just see that TV's in that box. No. I just don't understand this. Have they been evicted from their home or something? Is that what's happened? They've been evicted? It's kind of sad if they have, because there's kids stuff here too, which kind of hurts. I mean, as a furniture lover, which I do love my furniture, there's quite a lot of decent furniture here. Oh, there's a branch there too. So you got like a Range Rover there, it's clearly been there a long time. You got a Subaru there, a newish Mitsubishi Shogun there, and a Ford Transit van there. And the funny thing is I didn't even have this location pinned. I just found it whilst driving past, and I thought I'll have a butcher's at that. Oh crap! I'm blown away, I really am. Do you know what I mean, ladies and gents? It is a bit of a weird one. Thought we heard a car coming in. She's locked up. Unreal. Unreal. Unreal location and unreal finds. Australia. AUS. So these foreign people, well, look, there's a Subaru there, kind of getting a bit of a story now. You know, and I know Australians love their Subarus. Does this belong to some Australian that's gone back to his own country? Maybe this was a COVID thing. I'm just reaching here, ladies and gents. I'm reaching here. Maybe there's any tax discs. Nah. Nah, no tax discs. Maybe they were Australian, they come over to this country to build themselves a shack, and then COVID happened and they had to go back to their country and they never came back here. Because if you think about it, the cars are still here, they ain't gonna go nowhere. I don't know. I'm reaching here, ladies and gents, like I just said, I'm just reaching, I don't know. Well, that's got a Great Britain sticky and an Australian sticky. That is Australia, isn't it? Let's have a look in here. I mean, they've got the water supply here. Let's have a look in here. Oh, you push it, not put it. This would be a pretty decent sized place to live, really. I mean, look at the view you've got. I mean, look at the hills over there. This is a view and a half, this is. I mean, that's £1 million view, that is. Like I say, it's a bit upsetting because there's kids stuff here too. Motocross tyre, nice bit of table there. Clearly this was going to be a home. I'm almost certain it was going to be a home. I mean, we've got a lot of wood here, so maybe it was like just a wood shed. I don't know, it's one of them. Got a boiler there, look, I think that's a boiler. Got a bar here, look. You can just chill and g'day mate, you alright? You fancy a beer? Alright mate, no worries. Sorry for my Australian fans, that was probably crap. And then down there we've got a bit of a horse box. Let's see if it's got a date on that. No, tax disc missing too.
Take the next right.
I mean, the gate's wide open there. So yeah, whether this was going to be a home or just a wood cutting area, which I doubt it. I really like to know what the story is, but I don't know what the story is. No, I don't know what the story is. I'll take a few pictures, ladies and gents. Back in a sec. Tyres are pretty bold. I don't know. I don't know the story, ladies and gents. I don't know. All I know is this lot was just dumped here. Yeah, it's a strange one. I mean, because that there, like I said, is kind of, you know, you expect that in this country. There's millions of them scattered all around the place, and if you're not new to my channel, you'd know that I found hundreds of those. But this, you know, that's strange. Right, let's get out of here before we get caught. I mean, I'd like to explore more, but there's not much really we can explore. I don't know whether this is going to be a full video or it's going to be added to another video. I'll just do an outro now just in case I don't find anything. So I hope you like this little video, if it is a little video. I mean, I can start this. It's got some water in there. Should we go for a swim? I don't know. This is someone's whole house. It kind of looks pubby, do you know what I mean? Maybe this was some dude's pub. He was having a secret pub there, do you know what I mean? Right then, there's not much else I can show you. Kind of shocking. That jacuzzi alone is worth fucking loads of money. That's worth some pennies this year. I mean, I'd have this as it is. Dig a hole in the back garden, away you go. A couple of fish in there, a couple of carp, you're done. Oh, I'm after a new sofa as well. Right then, jokes aside, ladies and gents. We're going to go to the next look. Well, we're going to try and find somewhere else to explore if I can't find anywhere else. The old bill's going past. The Arif, no, that's slow, isn't it? Anyway, so from East Oaksey, I hope you like this little video. If I find anything else, I'll add to it. If not, this will be a Sunday's video. So again, from East Oaksey, thanks for watching. Remember, don't limit yourself, and until next time, keep car hunting. So we're in the beautiful country of Wales, looking for some classic cars, as you probably already gathered that. We've come to this kind of barn type area, and I've had a bit of a nose around before I got the camera out. Oh, I'm stuck. And it's got some interesting things inside. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump down and have a bit of a butcher's, but it's a bit of a drop, so we've got to try and find another way in. But I did notice that there, it looks like this place has been empty for a long ass time. You can see up there, look. I don't know how thick those leaves are there, you know what I mean? I don't want to jump down there and just disappear. I don't know if that goes under the building or what. Oh, goodness me. No, I just think that goes underneath the building. I don't think that actually goes anywhere other than under the building, and it feels very, very cold, so we don't want to go down that way. Let's have a look around here. It's like every step is extremely treacherous, so if you do this type of thing, ladies and gents, make sure you're holding on with at least one good strong arm, because you don't know whether you're on a roof or not. I mean, this place does look promising, but it's quite inaccessible. Yeah, it just looks like old farm stuff. This might be a bus, ladies and gents. But this is what we do. There's a few old tractors down there. We'll have a look at those. Oh my god! This would make a good Sunday's video, this one anyway. Oh shit! Yeah, a lot of old tractor stuff. Some old tractors here, look. They're worth looking at. Yeah, I like a good old tractor. Let's try and get down there. It's pretty solid, that is. He says. Oh my god, there goes me nuts. Oh. Oh. There goes the old nutsack. I'll try and do this whilst holding it for you lot to see what I'm doing. It's kind of dodgy. There's a vine here, maybe I can hang off that. Do Tarzan or something. Nope, I'm gonna have to go the old fashioned way. Wait. Oh. 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 You won't see that on Car SOS or Bangers for Cash or Bangers and Cash. Let's keep going. But again, I don't know what I'm treading on. But I do know I found a vintage barn type area. But not with vintage cars, vintage tractors. For this old girl. So what do we have here? We have a John Deere. A good old John Deere. That's a proper classic, that is. For you Americans out there, and obviously English people. That's a proper John Deere classic, that is. I do know that the, oh shit, I think I'm in someone's garden. I think I am actually in someone's garden. So all the American viewers, spread the word. Yeah, it's a proper vintage old John Deere, that is. Oh, sorry, we missed this one too. This is a Fordson Major diesel for all my tractor fans. This is a proper classic, that is. Proper classic. Well, I'm going to try and get over there. I'll be back in a sec. I'm injured, ladies and gents. I didn't record me falling into all the thorns on camera. Oh, shit. For the tractor carcass. So I don't know if anybody lives in that house. They're going to look out their window and see this coming through the bushes. They're going to be like, George, there's a strange man in the bushes. Well, we found a car, ladies and gents. But I need to see if anybody lives in this house, so I'm going to literally just put my face against the window. Yeah, somebody does live here, ladies and gents. The light's on. What car do we have here? What do we have? We have found ourselves, oh, an old farm truck. That's nice. Yeah, just an old, that looks like a Peugeot, garden old Peugeot. So let's keep moving. And then we've got another old car here. Well, I say old van. What do we have here? She's an old girl, isn't she? Is that an old Austin or something? Couldn't really tell you what it is or what it was. Front end's completely gone on it. I'm going to say an old Austin of some sort. I don't really know. So there is somebody that lives in this premises, believe it or not, so we're just going to quickly get out the way we came. So, back in a sec.